AutoCAD tutorial, Fillet. Here I have my geometry, and we have rounded corners on the top. I want rounded corners on the bottom. The keyboard shortcut for Fillet is F. Type F and hit Enter. The default radius for Fillet is 0. We need to change that. So I'm going to type R to set radius, and I'm going to type in 0.5 for my radius. I can also type M for multiple, meaning I can choose multiple corners that I can turn into filleted corners. So I'm going to click on the two lines that make the corner to create the rounded edge. Again, the same thing over here. The two lines that make the corners to create the rounded edge. And hit Enter. Now I'm going to erase these two lines, or arcs I should say. And let's say I want a square corner. I can actually use the fillet command, set my radius to 0, and select the two lines that I want to turn into a square. So the fillet command can not only make rounded corners, but it can make square corners as long as your radius is set to 0. The other thing the fillet command does, I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. The fillet command, regardless of radius, my radius you'll note is set to 0. If I select two parallel lines, it will create a fully rounded edge between them. And notice that these lines are not the same length to start with. The bottom line ends 1/2 of an inch from where the top line ends. But it extended the top line to where the bottom line ends because the bottom line was the line I selected first. I will select the top line first this time and select the bottom line, and it will trim the bottom line to the length of the top line. So if you're making slots, using the fillet command is your friend.